So many of my patients come to me because they first start to notice that their face just looks sort of older or more tired than they feel. Every time that you frown, every time that you show concern or even squint, basically you're contracting muscles in your face. So if you start to notice those frown lines between your eyebrows and they're bothering you, then it might be worth trying Dysport.
I've been wanting to try Dysport for a while because I think the frown lines between my eyebrows make me look older, but I'm a little concerned about the procedure. Does the process hurt?
I tell my patients, Dysport basically feels like a couple of pinches. It's actually much easier to get through a procedure of Dysport than it is to have your blood drawn. The needle that people use to get their blood drawn in their arm is way bigger than that tiny little needle that I use to inject Dysport. By the time you notice the pinch, it's basically over.
I've never used Dysport, but I'd like to give it a try. My concern is this: will my face look frozen? How does the process work?
Dysport does not make your face look frozen. Dysport and the other forms of botulinum toxins, they all work the same way. They all inhibit the release or stop the release of a molecule called acetylcholine. And in doing so, they prevent your muscles from creating a frowning action. So Dysport actually just relaxes the muscles that make you look angry or tired. So you're perfectly capable of expressing your face the way that you normally would, except you just look a little bit more well-rested or refreshed.
I was just wondering how long the whole process would take.
The Dysport procedure usually takes me anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. It's truly a lunchtime procedure. As soon as you're done, you may notice these tiny little, almost mosquito bite looking blebs in the skin, and those are gone by the time that you walk out of the office. So really no one's gonna know that you had the procedure done.
I've had Dysport. I love how I look. How often do I have to do it to maintain the results?
Well, most people tend to want to repeat their Dysport procedure about every 3 to 4 months. And when they do come, the results that they get are very comparable to results that they got the first time that they got treated. I think that's what makes Dysport so amazing. It's just sort of the best version of you.